Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you a way that you can work from home without any experience and that you can make really good money. Because every day, a lot of people are looking to work from home or do remote jobs where they can manage their own schedule and they can also sell online. And that is making t-shirts with just a heat press and also with a vinyl cutter. And we're going to explain the difference on both. So if you have no experience or you feel like you're gonna have a hard time learning softwares, well, I have good news for you. You no longer need a software to make t-shirts, and I will also explain that. And make sure you stay until the end because I will link a video where I talk only about sales, because a lot of people ask that a lot, and I know you're gonna ask the same thing, but how do I make sales or how do I promote myself? And yes, we have a video where we specify 3 ways for you to make sales even if you are just starting on this business on 2026. So let's start with making custom t-shirts from home with a vinyl cutter. So yes, with this option, you will have to learn how to use a software, and you will of course need a vinyl cutter. There are many prices and sizes, but we recommend one that's at least 24 inches, so that way you can make car decals like this, which is a very profitable product that you can make with your vinyl cutter. Like the project that you are watching here, they can go from hundreds of dollars. But again, if you haven't watched our video of how we sell or promote our business selling decals or t-shirts, make sure you stay into the end, because this video will really give you some ideas of how you can sell decals or t-shirts. So now let's go to making t-shirts without any softwares or vinyl cutters. So now let me show you how you can do print on demand. So let's say that a customer came to you and wants to make t-shirts for his lawn care company, and his company's name is Matthews Lawn Care. So we're gonna ask ChatGPT. By the way, I got the premium membership with them, which is really worth it, and it makes you really good logos. So let's ask ChatGPT, make me a logo for a lawn care company with a transparent background. This is very important. And the logo is only one color, and the name of the company is Matthews Lawn Care. And now let's enter and see what it makes. And after it makes our logo, we're going to ask ChatGPT to make a mock-up, and now we can download this logo if we like it, or we can request a new one. Once we download this PNG with transparent background, we can ask ChatGPT to make us a mock-up of a guy wearing a safety green with this logo, and that's what we're going to ask ChatGPT. Now remember, for any business, you always, when you do print on demand, you always send the mock-up. Once the customer approves and likes it, then you can go online, order your DTS transfers or screen printing transfers. We use this company called Pro World, which we are not being promoted by them. We wish, but this is a really good company. You can order your transfers there, and then you can now order your transfers once you get your down payment from the company. And that's how simple it is to make t-shirts without any software or without any vinyl cutter. And you can start this way, then you can later invest on a vinyl cutter if you wish to make other products. Well guys, we appreciate if you give this video a hype. This will definitely help us grow more and make more amazing content. Thank you guys so much. We will see you again on the next video.